Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng bahay pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula? Ay mga ka-partners, ako po si Ilichita Barcelona, isa sa mga trusted real estate agent ng RRCT Realty. Imagine, living in a home na hindi ka na-stress sa traffic, palapit sa lahat, at perfect for your family future. What if I tell you na meron nito right here in Mexico, Pampanga? Welcome to Villa Corazon! Minutes away from major highways, accessible to schools, hospitals, markets, and business establishments. Near San Fernando and Angeles City, growing community with high property value appreciation. Dito, hindi lang bahay ang binibili mo. Convenience, accessibility, and future investment ang kinukuha mo. In real estate, the number one rule is location determines value. Kapag ang property mo ay malapit sa main roads, near commercial centers, within progressive municipalities, mas mataas ang chance ng appreciation. Meaning, habang tumatagal, tumataas ang value ng property mo. That's why, smart buyers always choose projects na nasa strategic area, like Villa Corazon. Tip number 2, research nearby developments, malls, schools, future infrastructure. Tip number 3, think long term. Is this location good for resale or rental income? If you're an OFW, locally employed, or first-time buyer, choosing the right location protects your hard-earned money. If you want a home na accessible, convenient, at may long-term value, message me, Villa, right now.
Sino ang tatawagin?